Woman allegedly killed by Jamaican army husband in the US. Children said to have witnessed the incident. People, welcome back to YaadAndAbroadTV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. A Jamaican family is in mourning after 30-year-old Tashina Johnson Blake was reportedly shot dead by her military husband in front of their two children in Colorado, United States on the weekend. The police have arrested the suspect, Dermot Andrew Blake, who is Jamaican and in his 30s, on charges of first-degree murder and child abuse without injury. Blake, an active duty sergeant at the Fort Carson military base, did not have a bond listing on the El Paso County Sheriff's website yesterday when he was scheduled for his first court arraignment. The tragic event hit Johnson Blake's family hard, with an uncle taking to Facebook to express his grief. "I am mourning because of her, my niece. Lost her to domestic violence," he captioned a photo. Another uncle who resides in Jamaica told the Gleaner that the family has been devastated. "She came out here when she was smaller. She and my sister came to visit," he said of Johnson Blake, a realtor whose parents are both Jamaicans. He said that the couple had been together for several years and theorized that a domestic dispute might have led to the shooting. His most domestic problem, they have two kids together, and me hear say him kill her in front of the picnic them. "Shot her in her head," the uncle said. "I got the call and I spoke to her grandmother, also his mother, and she said they were getting ready to go to Colorado. They are in New York. They were supposed to call me back, but I guess the situation have them up there away," he told the Gleaner. The family is particularly concerned about how it will affect the couple's children, even as they call for justice to be served. Reports from the Colorado Springs police are that they responded to a call of a shooting about 1 a.m. and when they arrived in the 2000 block of Squabush Ridge Grove, they found a woman who has not been named by the police or in the U.S. media reports, but the family members tell the Gleaner it is Johnson Blake. They found her dead inside the house. Her death is currently being investigated as a homicide. U.S. media reports suggest that the identity of the woman killed would not be released until the coroner's office determines the cause of death. I mean, them can say it's a gunshot. If family members and relatives is telling it's a gunshot, police show up, them can see what happened. But I guess they have to do them investigation and thing. You know how that go already. And this is another sad case of domestic violence, people, and the demons that live in some people. People, listen to me good. If you're in a relationship and it's not working out, y'all been together for years. To me, it's easier to walk away more than go to prison and lose your freedom for somebody. As me saying to people, me know it might hurt and you might feel a way about the situation, but your freedom is more important. Now this man killed off his wife, two children left without a mother and a father right now, because the mother is dead and the father is going to get locked up. So who the children them have? Nothing but their grandmother and other relatives to take care of. No mommy, no daddy. Like, why this man had to shoot this lady? Was it called for? I don't give a crap what the lady did. It doesn't justify killing her. If she cheat, if she give you a bun with cheese, it does not matter. It does not justify you killing her. You never give life, so how you gonna come take life? And this is just a sad situation, people. Very, very sad. I just feel it for the kids, them. As me say, them mommy gone. The mommy gone, people. I got this from the Gleaner website, people, and I'm on their Instagram page. And of course, people are upset about the situation. Someone said, "Let's begin to normalize seeing a therapist." And she is absolutely correct with that. Another person said, another one, Jano in front of his kids at that. So heartless. Another person said, man, it's like people's lives have no value anymore. And that is so true, people. It's like, who are you to take another person's life? Who are you? You never give life, so you come take life. Jano, man, like, I can't believe that. It's easier to walk away from a situation. Another person said, since of late, I've become afraid of wanting a relationship because you just don't know. Another person goes on to say, the military harbors a lot of secrets that not every mind can defeat. So sad. Condolences to her family and loved ones. Those poor children. It is very heartbreaking. As I said, people, I'm thinking about the children. Like, you know what it is to grow up or be around your parents, your mother, your father every day, and all of a sudden, boom, both of them gone. None of them not in your life no more. Very sad situation. Another person said, me can't understand why a man would kill someone they made a vow on. People, it's very sad, and any level you look at it, it's very, very sad and brutal. Another person said, stop cheat, ladies. Worse when you live with your husband and children. All right, now he is just talking foolishness right there. So, as me say, it doesn't matter what the woman did. It does not justify you killing her. It does not justify you killing the woman. The woman go out there, go mess with somebody. I'm not saying she did. I'm just reading off what this person said in the comments about, oh, ladies, stop cheat. If the woman go out there and want to mess with somebody else, who are you if you stop them? That's what they're going to do. That's what they're going to do. But that not tell you if you go kill them. Walk away from the situation. It's easier said than done, but that is the right thing. Walk away from the situation and go look better for yourself. Doesn't justify in killing somebody because them step out in the relationship and start seeing somebody else. Another person said, wow, this is very disappointing and very sad. Honestly, something is wrong with men in army. Always hear them in cases like these with them. Always killing the spouse. I mean, I've heard a few of them people, but as I said, sometimes you go into the military and you come out with so much baggage and trauma and you see so much things that, boy, you really have to be strong. But a therapist, and you don't need to kill nobody. Like your wife, somebody that you love. I don't understand that, people. How can you look at somebody who you truly love and just take a gun and just shot them right in them face, shot them in them head? Like, I can't even begin to imagine why you would do something like that. I can't even imagine that, people. Somebody you love, somebody you lay down and had children with, like, Jano, people. It's just very, very sad. And I want to say my condolences to the family. My heart breaks for the children, people. All right. But once I get more information on this, people, I will let you guys know. Thank you guys for tuning in as usual. Much love and appreciation from YaadAndAbroadTV, people. Bless up in yourself.